going on, my beautiful and amazing people? My name's Barry. Welcome to Littles Pressure Washing. If it's your first time, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And if you want to see exclusive content, get discounts, giveaways, all kinds of cool stuff, sign up for the Patreon below. Come on, join the team. Today we're going to be cleaning this behind us. We got 6 pumps and parking areas and parking spots. So without further ado, hit that like button. Let's go. Knock that place out. We're at the second location. We're only going to do 2 tonight because we got a big day tomorrow. We got something coming you're going to really like. Stay tuned for that. But we got behind us, we got another 6 gas station pump island forecourt area. It's really bad. We're going to hit the islands in the forecourt, so we're also going to hit the diesel over here. So actually a total of 10 pumps actually. Got 4 diesel and 6 gas. So yeah, let's get going. Hit that like button. Salute people over profits. Let's go.
Being a pressure washer can be a hard thing to do, especially without the right equipment. That's why Littles Pressure Washing offers you the most efficient place to buy your equipment. Because we are professional in what we do, we know exactly what you need. From Lifan and Honda pressure washers to soft washers, we have it all.